What is going on? It is Daniel with Cuervo ATV, and today we are debuting or re-debuting a new product for us, and it is our Hi-Rev spring kit for the Raptor 700, suitable for the Grizzlies as well. Any of these heads that have this configuration, but let's say what we got. This is a spring kit that goes in all our +1, +2, and +3 cylinder heads. It is capable of 550 lift for camshaft. You can push more with some restrictions and some adjustments, but normally suited for any of the bigger web stuff on the market. These will handle that lift and RPM. So what we got going on is the spring kits on the market were just not meeting our demands. We had switched to the RD spring kit quite a long time ago for the intakes, and then we were seeing a bunch of failures with the other brand springs on the market. Now, as of last year, RD Spring, which was a supplier putting together the spring kit, they closed shop and left us with the necessity of building our own spring kit. So fortunately enough, we were able to get with the spring manufacturer who was making the springs themselves, and that left us with the necessity of making the retainers and the bottom rotators, as well as shims for ourselves. So we are making these components. These are coming from the spring manufacturer. Same spring we've been using for at least 10 years. Let's see, probably more like 15 years now. So really happy to offer these and continue on with this spring kit. So here I just have two. A kit comes with four springs, 4 retainers, 4 bottoms, and then we do have shims as well. Capabilities of this spring kit is on a +2 valve with our 5250 camshaft, a Web 290, our RHC cam, some of the others in that range on the market are going to be able to handle 9,700 RPM. So that pushes way up above what stock is and support the valve without valve flow or any issues. We've been running these for quite a while in this capacity. So proven out over many years. So what we have is increased RPM. 9,700 is the rev extend RPM of the Power Commander one. It has ignition control, has the rev extend option where you can click the box and it's going to bump up to 9,700 RPM on the 2015 and above Power Commander. So you can check that. That's why this is what sets our head apart, as well as many other options, is we set them up to run RPM and expect the customer to run RPM. So that gives a lot of capability in, especially on a standard shift bike, having some room to allow for shifting to go to rev over peak, to extend out the power where you're not dropping too low in power at on the shift point. So that is what we have currently. These are priced in the mid 300 range. As stuff goes on, I don't know if we'll ever be able to get them down in cost much, but as of right now, they're mid 300s. It is a premium product, but we have yet to see a spring failure over the whole lifespan of this spring kit, unlike the kibble whites are breaking left and right. So that is a concern. These are made to handle the RPM, the lift, and get you where you want to get power wise. So that is what we have for today. You can see a kit install. We do have some branding on there to just let them know who they're coming from. This is the older kit where I just did an upgrade on this one, moved the intakes over to the exhaust, and these were like the older style kits. So we just did a direct replication, you know, approval from the from RD to carry on that design as they were going out. So everything's legit there, and I was grateful to be able to carry on a really good spring kit that has served us well over many years. So if you want specs on install, we will have those available on request with the spring kits, as well as spring pressures. But mainly these are going in our cylinder heads. But if you're looking to improve the performance and capability of a cylinder head you already have, give me a call. We can discuss that, see if this spring kit is the right option for you in your application. So that is it. Thank you, and we will talk to you on the next one.